Ever wondered how much power your plate holds? Well, what if I told you that what you eat could be a game changer in the battle against cancer? That's right. Welcome to our video where we explore the incredible world of cancer-busting foods and how they can revolutionize your health. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and cancer prevention. We'll uncover the top foods that not only nourish your body, but also have the potential to fend off cancer cells. We'll explore the science-backed benefits of each food and how they can be your allies in the fight against cancer. If you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns about cancer prevention, drop them in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and support each other on this journey towards better health. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can benefit too, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on living a healthy and vibrant life. Together, we can make a difference. Let's get started. Number 1. Broccoli. Let's talk about broccoli, the unsung hero of the vegetable world. Packed with a powerful compound called sulforaphane, broccoli is like a little cancer-fighting superhero on your plate. Plus, munching on broccoli and other cruciferous veggies might just lower your risk of colorectal cancer. Some smart folks studied 35 different research papers and found that people who chowed down on more broccoli had a lower chance of getting colon cancer. Pretty cool, right? Now, before you start loading up your plate with broccoli, here's the scoop. While the evidence from test tubes and animals looks promising, we still need more studies to see how broccoli affects cancer in us humans. So, while adding some broccoli to your meals is a tasty idea, remember it's not a guaranteed cancer cure just yet. Keep an eye out for future research, and in the meantime, enjoy your broccoli guilt-free. Number 2. Carrots. Let's chat about carrots, the crunchy, orange powerhouses of nutrition. Did you know that munching on more carrots could actually lower your risk of certain cancers? Yup, it's true. Some smarty pants researchers looked at a bunch of studies and found that folks who ate more carrots had a 26% lower chance of getting stomach cancer. So, why not make carrots your new go-to snack or side dish a few times a week? They're not just tasty, they could also be helping you fend off cancer. But hey, remember, while these studies paint a pretty convincing picture, they don't cover all the bases. So, keep munching those carrots, but don't forget to balance them out with other healthy habits too. Number 3. Beans. Let's talk about beans, those little powerhouses of goodness. Did you know that beans are packed with fiber, which could actually help protect you against colorectal cancer? Yup, it's true. One study looked at nearly 2,000 people who had a history of colorectal tumors and found that the ones who ate more cooked, dried beans had a lower risk of the tumors coming back. And get this, even in animal studies, feeding rats black beans or navy beans helped block the development of colon cancer cells by a whopping 75%. So, it seems like adding a few servings of beans to your weekly meals could up your fiber intake and potentially lower your risk of getting cancer. But hold your horses. While these findings are super interesting, they're mostly from studies on animals and just show a link, not a definite cause and effect relationship. So, while beans are definitely a tasty and healthy addition to your diet, let's wait for more research to see exactly how they stack up in humans. Keep enjoying those beans, but don't forget to mix it up with other nutritious foods too. Number 4. Berries. Let's dive into the world of berries, those little gems of nature that pack a powerful punch. Did you know that berries are bursting with anthocyanins, colorful plant pigments that act like superheroes against cancer? Oh, it's true. And here's more berry goodness. In another study, patients with oral cancer were given freeze-dried black raspberries, and it actually lowered levels of certain markers linked to cancer progression. So, it seems like adding a serving or two of berries to your daily diet could be a delicious way to help fend off cancer. But hey, while these studies are super promising, they mostly involve animals and observations, not humans. So, let's keep our fingers crossed for more research to confirm just how berrylicious they are for us humans. Number 5. Cinnamon. Let's chat about cinnamon, the spice that adds a cozy touch to your morning oatmeal. Did you know it's not just tasty but also packed with health benefits? Yup, cinnamon can help control your blood sugar levels and ease inflammation. But here's the exciting part. Some studies suggest it might even help fight cancer. In labs and with animals, Cinnamon has shown promising signs of slowing down the spread of cancer cells and shrinking tumors. Imagine cinnamon as a superhero, swooping in to stop cancer cells in their tracks. So, how can you tap into this superpower? Just sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into your daily meals. But hey, while cinnamon looks like a delicious ally in the battle against cancer, we still need more studies to be sure it works the same way in humans. So, go ahead and enjoy your cinnamon treats, and let's keep our fingers crossed for more research to come. Number 6. Nuts. Let's talk about nuts, those tasty little snacks that might just be superheroes against cancer. Studies have found that munching on nuts could lower your risk of certain types of cancer. But here's the interesting part. Different nuts might have different superpowers against cancer. For instance, Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium, which could help protect against lung cancer, especially in folks with low selenium levels. And in a study with mice, feeding them walnuts slashed the growth rate of breast cancer cells by a whopping 80% and reduced the number of tumors by 60%. So, it seems like adding a handful of nuts to your daily routine could be a delicious way to lower your risk of cancer. But hey, while these studies look promising, we still need more research to be sure nuts are the true cancer-fighting champs. So, go ahead and enjoy those nuts guilt-free, and let's keep our eyes peeled for more studies to come. Number 7. Olive oil. Let's talk about olive oil, the golden elixir of the Mediterranean diet. This stuff isn't just tasty, it's also packed with health perks, including possibly shielding us from cancer. Yep, you heard that right. Studies suggest that folks who enjoy more olive oil might have a lower risk of certain cancers. For instance, one big review of 19 studies found that people who ate the most olive oil had a lower chance of getting breast cancer and cancers in their digestive system compared to those who ate less. And get this, in another study looking at cancer rates around the world, places where people gobble up more olive oil had fewer cases of colorectal cancer. So, why not swap out your usual oils for olive oil in your cooking? Drizzle it over salads, veggies, or use it in marinades for meats and fish. It's an easy way to add a dose of health to your meals. But hold up. While these studies hint at a link between olive oil and cancer protection, there might be other factors at play too. We still need more research to know for sure how olive oil affects cancer in real people. So, in the meantime, go ahead and enjoy that delicious olive oil, and let's keep our eyes peeled for more studies on this tasty topic. Number 8. Turmeric. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice with a whole lot of goodness packed inside. You might have heard about curcumin, the superstar ingredient in turmeric that's like a health superhero. It's got anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer powers. Check this out. In one study, folks with lesions in their colon, the kind that could turn cancerous, were given curcumin for a month. And guess what? The number of lesions dropped by 40%. And in test tubes, curcumin showed off its skills by slowing down the spread of colon cancer cells and even knocking out head and neck cancer cells. But wait, there's more. Curcumin isn't just good for colon and head cancers. It's also been shown to slow down the growth of lung, breast, and prostate cancer cells in lab studies. Talk about a multitasking spice. So, how can you get your daily dose of turmeric? Aim for at least 3 teaspoons of ground turmeric per day. Sprinkle it on your food as a spice, and don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb all that turmeric goodness. Keep spicing up your meals with turmeric, and who knows? It might just be your secret weapon in the fight against cancer. And there you have it, folks. A tasty tour through some of nature's cancer-fighting superheroes. From broccoli to berries, nuts to olive oil, these delicious foods might just be your secret weapons in the battle against cancer. But remember, while the evidence looks promising, there's still more research to be done. So, keep enjoying these nutritious goodies as part of a balanced diet, and stay tuned for updates on the latest research. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button for more healthy tips and tricks. Together, let's spread the word and empower each other to live our healthiest, happiest lives. Until next time, take care and stay well.